What's up, guys? Lyle from this little brand called Stone Glacier, and with my co-worker and buddy Colby.
What's up, guys?
Old Colby whacked his first turkey this week.
45. Oh, you crushed him. Your first turkey.
First turk.
And I haven't killed a turkey, and I wanted to eat a turkey, so I asked Colby if we could make his turkey into turkey meatloaf. So this is a recipe that I've tried out a few times. Typically turns out pretty well, but it's a pretty cool recipe. Kind of a unique way to use your bird if you don't want to do like the tenders and the casual way that a lot of people do it. So this is a little more art behind it, you know, not like that guy Pete who just fries everything in grease.
Man, it's got good flavor. The breading is just as enjoyable as the turkey meat.
So anyway, we're gonna get started by grinding these mushrooms. You could chop them, but why would you chop anything when you can grind it, right?
It's too much work.
Too much work. So Colby's gonna get grinding.
This is a first for me, I gotta say.
Never ground a mushroom, huh?
Never, not through a meat grinder.
Look, it looks just like
That
pork.
looks great. This is a new kitchen hack right here, Lyle.
A little dirt never hurt. That's what my mom always said. Teamwork makes the dream work. All right, so
Onions?
yeah, well, yeah, let's grind it all. We'll just grind it all. It'll be fun. Let's break them down. You want to chop that up? A couple cloves. Probably do like 4 cloves, maybe. Maybe 4. Maybe let's go 5. You know, let's call it 6.
Just enough that the wife notices it later.
Yeah, we'll something for later.
What are we whipping up there?
Oh, a little turkey meatloaf.
Very nice. What's this?
That's a mushroom.
Is it?
Yeah,
You gonna put it in the meatloaf?
yeah.
Sweet.
So we originally planned to do this with wild morel mushrooms, but Andrew didn't bring any
What are we
today.
having those? Oh.
You know, important thing: invest in friends that are reliable.
Best in friends that give you your rifle when they need to shoot it.
That's true too. All is forgiven. I shot my bear with Andrew's rifle. That's what happened. I see this trick sometimes, like on the TVs. Let's flavor it, Logan.
Yeah.
That's so you can identify what it
You
is.
can't get that from the store.
I thought you were going to grind the onion.
Make decently quick work of it here.
All right. You crying?
Huh?
You crying?
Right.
What
Not yet.
No?
Not yet.
No? Nothing?
I got the contacts in. The one advantage to contacts when you're cooking onions, you got like a little shield over your eyes.
Oh.
Don't get the watery eyes.
All right.
I say that, now I'm gonna get watery eyes.
Now you're going to cry. It's your dad, and dad's crying now. That's cool. That's what that is. All right. So step 2, you got a little bird here. A little frozen. You want it to be a little frozen. It'll grind better if it's a little frozen. So the process is we're going to chop this up, grind it into this bowl, and then we'll mix it all together here in a second. Yeah, you got it.
This is a good knife for this, not the ceramic blade.
Yeah, that's all we got. If you don't have a meat grinder, you ain't no man. I can tell you that.
First step of this process is go to the store, get a meat grinder, and then begin.
Yeah. I was always like, I don't need a meat grinder, and then I started cutting my own meat, and then now I grind like all kinds of stuff. Constantly grinding. Always be grinding. Oh, look at that, Zach. Would you look at it? Just give it a look.
Oh, would you look at that?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at
The
it.
car is not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Now that you're a new dad and all, are you like just totally used to human shit all over you?
You have a new appreciation, like it's so numb to it.
Yeah,
I feel like that kid shits 5 times a day.
yeah.
I'd say they're more like sharks though. Like it's not a consistency of
Well, he's pretty little, yeah. Doesn't have like
they got a real special power to them too.
right. Also making some Traeger spuds. Say what? Ooh, spicy. Started those a while ago. Hot tip: potatoes take a long time to cook. Go wash my hands. Clean hands. Alright, so excuse me, why don't you start to brown these guys
Okay.
with our
Wash my hands real quick.
stove. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Oh, my oil rod shotgun, bro. Okay, no big deal.
There we go.
Okay.
Keep going.
Cap down there. Thanks. Again, cleaned the parking lot recently.
Look at that fancy thing.
So, sometimes with the old turk, when you cook it, it can get a little dried out. So, one of my tricks is I like to take a little panko. I'm gonna soak these up in milk, give it some rehydration. Then we'll add that into our turkey, and that's gonna help keep it moist. The mushrooms will also help give it a nice hearty flavor. And you won't taste the mushrooms; they really kind of cook away. But that also helps with the moisture as well and keeps everything nice and moist.
We are gonna brown these. I guess we're not browning it. We're just gonna.
Yeah, you're gonna brown it. Yeah, you put it in a pan with oil. You're gonna brown it.
Okay, we're gonna brown these mushrooms
You
and
ever been-
onions.
You ever like?
Maybe a saute I would use.
I don't know. They're gonna get brown, right?
Are they?
Yeah. All right. So the milk goes into panko. Something like that. And then just I'll mix that up a little bit. Maybe a little more milk. Oh, smells good.
Smells really good.
All right, so you're kind of looking for like a oatmeal consistency. You don't want to put too much milk in there because then it'd just be too runny, but let that go and then that'll absorb up there. All right, so then for your seasoning, I like to go with a little granulated California garlic, home state of the CEO, Mr. Esposito. So something like that. A little black pepper. Tight one. Something like that. Yep. Okay. And then a little Worcestershire.
Oh yeah, the secret sauce.
Oh gosh. Get in there. It's cool. One thing, Colby, when you like after you have a kid or two, you get like dad strength. I don't know where it comes from. But like your kid will never be able to kick your ass. That just won't happen because you have dad strength. And then like opening jars and stuff that like Jackie used to have to do for you, you can do that yourself now.
Finally.
Yeah. All right. Then you just want to mix that up a little bit. $100 right now if you get this.
Make it 1,000. You got a deal.
We do want to do 3 eggs. So you want to crack and lightly beat these eggs in there. You want to do that one? Do this one. Fun fact. These eggs came out of chickens' butts that live at my house. A little farm fresh Hebel egg for you. Just delicious. Oh God.
Oh, that's how you do it right there.
Oh boy. Don't want that to
You
go.
want to be sure to throw your shells in with the eggs.
Yeah, this goes right there. Whoopsie. That chicken had a loose butt.
Yeah, we're back.
All right. Now we're gonna beat these eggs. So the recipe calls for 3 eggs. 2 eggs will work. Fine.
Just fine.
It's fine. Put that in there. Smells good. So you just want to cook those until all the moisture is gone. We're getting close. It's about 10 minutes-ish. God dang, I have a bowl issue. Like I always think I got the right size, never the right size. All right, dump your breadcrumbs in there. Ooh.
Do we have another bowl? We could even just get this mix going in a 3rd bowl. 2nd bowl.
What we got?
Rinse this out if you want.
Why?
We're gonna
Why would
mix
you
it
rinse it
all
out?
together anyways.
Why would you do that? We just made all those things together.
All right.
Okay.
Split it up. We're gonna go half that in there.
Yeah, I'm the host. Remember? It's awkwardly cooking
Sorry.
with Lyle. Not Lyle does what Colby tells him. Can you smell it?
Smells real good.
Dude. Okay. And make sure you kind of like, you know, mash her down in there, fill in all of the nooks and crannies. Oh, Jinx, you're it. 1, 2, 3. Buy me soda. So, 1 turkey will yield roughly 3 meatloafs. I didn't know that until
No, now.
now.
Especially when you shoot those big juicy jakes.
Those cheeks, that's where all the meat is. Woo! I just love the sound food makes.
Play it. For our next sequel, Food Drums.
That's good. All right, last step. We gotta build a sauce. Little recovery sauce. So when you're done, you should get 3 meatloafs. So the beauty of the meatloaf sauce is it can really be a lot of things. I like to start with a little ketchup, like that. Then we're gonna go with this little Traeger sweet heat sauce.
What you got going on here?
Oh, something resembling meatloaf.
Something resembling meatloaf. Something resembling meatloaf. Oh, that
Smells good out here.
It's half the battle. All right, and then we go with this sweet hot
Was that German?
Engelhoffenmuffer.
It's gotta be
yes.
good.
The motherland.
Perfect. And then maybe a dab of this.
Never a bad idea.
All right. And then we'll just mix that up with my finger. All right, we're just gonna ladle that on there. All right. So we're gonna put these in our Traeger for, I don't know, about 50 minutes probably on almost 400, shooting for an internal temp of 170. It's cool, Peter.
Sorry,
Just trying to make a video.
throwing some tires around. Sorry.
Didn't get the memo. Before we go on though, let's rotate our spuds. Starting to get that crispy skin on them. Oh, look at that. That's
That looks like a secret family recipe.
I got this from Tay. This is
His
Tay.
family.
Yeah, he's got a good family.
Slide them in.
Yeah. Yep. Yep. All right, and then you can take a little probie. Oops, a little undercut yet, but okay, it's good. Is it?
That's it.
That's it.
Nice.
Now we wait
50 minutes.
50 minutes. 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock
A
lunch.
little late lunch. That's fine. What are you doing?
Just some Belgrade shit, trying to clean out my truck, a bunch of rocks and dirt in it. So I gotta get my dog box out, then my shredded tires out.
Want to come look at your birds?
Alright.
Come on, Kobe. Go. What do we got here? Got that bubbly wubbly. Look at that. Just turkey perfection right there. Oh, Kobe.
Looks good.
Looks so good.
Damn. Damn, this looks just like I thought it would.
There you go.
Nice.
You're standing too close to me.
You guys are way too close.
All the loves of meat. Smells meatloafy. Oh,
Shot pet losers drink some hand sanitizer. Thanks, sir.
Yep. Some spuds.
Yes, please.
It's good?
Oh yeah. It's really
No?
good.
Okay.
Oh, it's so moist.
A lot of moisture.
That's good.
What's it taste like?
Taste the onion coming through a little bit.
A little onion in there?
Got the garlic.
Oh, it's good. That's good. That's good. This is another fine recipe. Brought to you by Stone Glacier's Magical Kitchen. That's good. Potatoes go. Everything's good. A little bite, Zachy? Nom, 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 nom.
Yeah, I'm out of one-liners for today. Ketchup or no ketchup?
Oh, hey. You don't need no ketchup.
How about on the taters?
Makes you eat slow. Better for digestion.
Pretty good. Super moist, lots of onion. Get a little tater in there.
That magic sauce.
Lick your lips. Heard that.